Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, sir. I want to introduce myself to you. My name is Rina Adriana. I am 27 years old. I was born on Ciamis 30 July 1998. I come from Ciamis, West Java, Indonesia. My weight is 58 kg. My height is 157 cm. My religion is Muslim. My last education is junior high school. I am divorced. I have one children. He is 7 years old. I have one brother and two sisters. I am number 3 in my family. I have experienced work before. First time in Jakarta, 1 year, 2017 until 2018. My job is take care ma'am. 54 years old. She has stroke. I also cooking and housekeeping. Second time in Singapore, 2 years, 2022 until 2024. My job is take care children, 9 years old, cooking and housekeeping. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir.